Hello and welcome back to Nail Pura. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I am the owner of Nail Pura. I run this business with my husband from our flat in London. Okay, so let's make a face oil for acne prone skin and also for oily skin as well. We're going to start off with one of the best ingredients for acne prone skin, oily skin, is hemp seed oil. We're making a 15 grams batch of this. So for hemp seed oil, we need 4.28 grams. And then jojoba oil, which is a good oil that is close to our skin sebum. We need 4.28 grams of that as well. And then 2.1 grams of rosehip oil. 2.1 grams of tamanu oil. And 1.95 grams of squalane. Vitamin A, 0.15 grams. And we're using tea tree essential oil. We're using 0.08 grams. Okay, so now all we have to do is mix all these oils together and we are ready to jar this up. Let us zoom in a little and and let's place acne prone and oily skin face oil in a jar. Let's cover this up, mix together real well, and there you go. Your acne prone oily skin face oil is ready for you to use. So this face oil is amazing. Give it a go, and if you did, leave me a message below. Thank you for making it this far into this video. If you have and you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Smash the notification bell so you're notified when more videos are uploaded. Also shop our website monopura.com. It's currently on the screen and it's in the description box below. Really appreciate you and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.